Welcome to this Exhibitor focus on Formnext TV. We are here at Velo3D to learn more about their metal printing solution.
Velo3D is a metal additive manufacturing technology company that is focused on allowing our customers to print the parts they really want to print and to do so as they scale into production.
Can you tell me what exactly makes the Sapphire family fully integrated?
So the Sapphire family is really part of a system where the system includes not only the hardware, which is the Sapphire family of printers, but also the software. Both the print preparation software that you use to prepare a file for printing and Assure, which is the quality assurance and control software that's used to give insights into the machine, into its operation, and into the quality of parts. So with that entire system, you have this integrated end-to-end Metal AM solution.
In the industry, process reliability is a very important issue. How does Velo3D reach this goal?
Yeah, process reliability is critical. And one of the main things that we do differently than other systems is to provide this fully integrated Metal AM solution. So that really starts with calibration of the system. You have to make sure that the machine is properly calibrated every time you start a print in order to know that the output of the print is going to be good. And then we also have the software on both the print preparation and the quality side. So you have a continuous digital thread from basically the CAD file to the final printed part. So that helps as well whenever you're looking at the process reliability and being able to validate that a part is good at the end of the day.
What else makes the Sapphire printers different to conventional printers?
So a lot of our customers are able to use our systems to print parts that they would find very, very challenging on other people's systems. That's mainly around the geometric complexity that you can print, some of the low angles that we're very, very good at printing. And then also on the metrology side, I think we have the most complete set of metrologies built into the machine that allow the customer to have insights into all of these things that we talked about previously, the calibration, how the build was executed, and the final print quality.
Your printer family includes 4 different printers. I'm just wondering, what applications do they cover?
They cover a wide range of applications. We have customers that are printing parts from a variety of different industries, whether that's aerospace, defense, automotive, tooling, power generation, oil and gas. They really are useful across a wide range of different applications. And it really depends on kind of the size of the component that you're trying to print. And that's kind of what drives the decision between the different Sapphire printers.